How to fix Instagram comments problem. If you have any problem with the comments on Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now go to Instagram. Between all the apps, choose Instagram. Click on notifications management, scroll until you find comments, click on it. Right here now you need to make sure that you have the same settings as me. You should enable the vibration, the badges, and this display in status bar, and also the notifications. Then go back, click on this option, it's called force stop, to stop all the app, and then go down to the storage. And here in the storage it's very important step, and at the same time it's optional. So click on clear data and clear cache. Now restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.